This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking essentials and getting steam going. Confirm batter is pourable but not runny. That affects rising. Next, pour 2 cups of water into the cooker base so it will generate steady steam without touching the plates. Then grease each idli mold lightly to prevent sticking. Once done, preheat the empty assembled cooker with the lid closed for 3-4 minutes. This jumpstarts steam and keeps temperature stable when you add batter, so the first idlis don't get soggy. You now fill and steam with attention to rise and timing. Spoon batter to about 3/4 full so idlis expand without overflowing, and tap plates gently to release trapped air. That ensures even texture. Once filled, stack plates and lock the lid, then place on medium-high heat so steam builds evenly. Steam for roughly 10-12 minutes depending on size. To check, insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, idlis are cooked. If not, steam another minute or 2 until set. You finish by cooling and releasing idlis properly to preserve fluffiness. After turning off heat, let the plate sit for 2 minutes so steam settles and surfaces firm up. This makes unmolding easier. Then run a thin spatula around each mold or use a wet spoon to gently lift idlis out onto a rack or plate. If idlis feel soggy, return to steam for 2-3 minutes. If they stick badly, soak the plates in warm water briefly and clean before next batch to avoid tearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.